constantly maxing out this Classic today. Grid power is gone. Everybody around here is in the dark. It's early morning. My battery bank's almost full here. I'm on lithium batteries now. But yeah, I've been seeing it max the Classic out, like right here. It's maxed it out. Aux 2 is on. Battery voltage went way over 250. And it won't come back until that battery voltage drops enough for it to turn back on. It's on the dump load completely right now, which is barely holding it back. As you can see, the battery voltage. I mean the input volts from the turbine. So it's maxing that turbine, that dump load out, which is probably about 3,000 watts. There it came back. It's been doing that for quite a while now. Nothing you can do about it because the batteries aren't full yet. Like they're pretty close to being full, but it's just maxing the Classic out. Need a bigger charge controller. That's why I didn't put any bigger blades on this machine. They'll never handle it. And the wind is probably just starting here today, so yeah, might have to shut her down. Put the big dump load on it. It's kind of nice though, having all the power I need and everybody else around me is freezing. It's not like I didn't tell them to get off the grid before, or at least have backup. That wind here just started a couple hours ago. 2.7. That's, I've just turned this on with screen record, so that's pretty much since the video started. See, there's 60 amps. That's the battery temperature. Anything else? Yeah, definitely works. Hopefully the Classic lasts the day. Well, it's a quick update, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.